Let's say you just checked your DGC result and you failed air navigation. So, what exactly should you do now? Let's break it down. Don't immediately start studying from page 1. Your first step should actually be diagnosis. Ask yourself, why did I fail? Was it because you didn't understand the concepts? Did you struggle with calculations? Did you know the formulas but not know which formulas to use where? Were you making mistakes with the units? Were you struggling with charts? Did you lose too much time on difficult questions? Or maybe did you just simply not practice enough unfamiliar questions? These are completely different problems and they require completely different solutions. Air navigation isn't just about memorizing formulas. This is particularly important for air navigation. A lot of students prepare by memorizing formulas and repeatedly solving questions they've already seen. They can give you confidence until the question is presented a little bit differently. You need to understand the relationship between the variables. For example, if you are dealing with speed, distance, and time, you shouldn't have to stop and remember a formula every single time. You should understand what the question is asking, identify the information you've been given, and then determine what you actually need to calculate. The same applies to topics such as wind triangle problems, heading and track, drift, ground speed, ETA calculations, fuel calculations, dead reckoning, chart work, radio navigation, and flight planning. Find your weak chapters. Now take your previous preparation and divide the subjects into three categories. One is green, which is the topics you're completely comfortable with. Yellow is the topics where you can solve basic questions but struggle with difficult or unfamiliar ones. And red is topics where you're second guessing or forgetting formulas or don't even understand the concept. Your next preparation should be heavily focused on the red and yellow areas. Don't waste another 30 hours watching lectures on topic you already know just because it feels productive. Then comes the questions. Once you have prepared your concepts, start solving questions. But there's an important difference. Don't just solve questions, analyze them. Every time you get a question wrong, identify the reason. Was it maybe concept error, maybe calculation error, maybe formula error, maybe unit conversions, misread questions, careless mistakes, time pressure? Keep an error log with you. If you make the same mistake 20 times and simply keep doing more questions, you are not preparing, you're practicing the mistake itself. Stop using only familiar questions. This is another major problem. You solve the same question bank repeatedly, you start to recognize the answer before you've even understood the question. And then you think, I'm getting 90% in my practice test, I'm ready. Then the actual paper looks different. So your preparation needs to include unfamiliar questions and timed practice. You need to train yourself to solve the problem, not recognize the question. The timing problem. Now let's talk about something students often underestimate: time management. If you are spending several minutes on one difficult question, you're potentially sacrificing marks elsewhere. During your mocks, pay attention to how long are you taking per question, which type of question consumes most of your time. Are you getting stuck on calculations? Are you leaving easy questions until the end? Should you take ground classes again? Now, should you join another ground class after failing? Not necessarily, but probably. If you've already attempted the subject and you're still thinking, I understand the lecture, but I don't understand why I'm getting these questions wrong, then you probably need more than just another question bank. You need someone to identify the gap in your understanding. That's where proper guidance can save you a lot of time. You don't change nothing and expect a different result. If your previous strategy resulted in a fail, your next strategy needs to be better. If you are preparing for the next air navigation attempts, 70 Knots Aviation has structured air navigation preparation, question banks, mock tests, designed specifically for DGC preparation. You can also try our free test series on our website to practice your knowledge. You can find the details in the description down below. And if you want to join our navigation batch, then contact us on this number right here. See you next time.